In this suburb of Kiev, homes stand engulfed in flames amid mountains of rubble. Emergency crews race to put out the fire, using excavators to claw through the debris for survivors. These are the scenes after an overnight wave of Russian strikes, which targeted Ukraine's energy sector and railways, also hitting residential buildings like these ones. When they recovered them, I had to be pulled out because I was buried. The ceiling fell from the roof and covered me. My husband pulled me out, lifting all of this. I didn't see anything. I only woke up because of it. I don't even remember if I heard it or not. I just realized that I was covered by something. I was at home with my two children when one of them started screaming, so I ran over. Then I saw that there was a fire here, that people were screaming loudly. I calmed my children down. I literally live right where Blasts also rocked the capital in the early hours of Sunday morning as temperatures plunged to -10 degrees. Residents were urged shelters as a nationwide missile alert was issued. The Ukrainian Air Force confirmed it had intercepted the majority of the 300 drones and over half of the 50 ballistic missiles launched. A major blizzard has reached the east coast of the U.S., bringing cities to a standstill. Philadelphia, New Jersey, and New York City are blanketed in snow, and visibility is severely reduced. Tens of millions of people are in the storm's path from Washington, D.C. up to Maine, with several states declaring emergencies. New York City announced a ban on non-emergency travel on all streets from Sunday to Monday, but neither the weather nor restrictions dampened the spirits of some tourists.
I knew that it was gonna snow a little bit, but I didn't think like it was like this much. But I feel happy. I don't know, a nice experience though.
The weather changes the plans a little, maybe not going to the Statue of Liberty, but walking around Times Square longer. Plans change, but let's say that the weather either way is not an impediment to enjoying and living the New York experience. Despite their optimistic outlook, the storm could dump between 30 to 60 centimeters of snow, and combined with heavy winds, it's likely to bring treacherous conditions. On Sunday, there were already more than 20,000 residents without power in the state of New Jersey.